Okay, so OnePlus have started treating their 1-year-old device as if it was launched 5 years ago. Today, OnePlus rolled out a new update for OnePlus Nord 4, which is almost a year ago device, and they released the August security patch with a huge update size. But still, few features are broken and they haven't added any new feature what their more than 2 years devices like OnePlus 11 series have got. So in this video, we'll talk about all the broken features, what OnePlus brings with the latest update for OnePlus Nord series, and 1 or 2 changes what they have done. We'll talk about them also. But before moving ahead guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my OnePlus Nord 4. Yesterday it received an OTA update. Let me show you the update size first. So this was the update size and the version if you see, which is 15.0.0.1201, and the size is around 1 GB. If you talk about the changelogs, they have only mentioned about the August security patch, nothing else. And in the version section you can see it says 1st August 2025 security patch. So this device have got a massive update, but none of the features have been added which other OnePlus smartphones have received with the July update. Under beta program, now we have the new card which also includes a card of closed beta. So I think OnePlus is preparing for OxygenOS 16 closed beta for OnePlus Nord 4 also. That's the reason this card have been added. Even till date with the August security patch, OnePlus haven't added the stack notifications on OnePlus Nord 4, which was introduced on other OnePlus smartphones with the July update. I'm not sure what's wrong with OnePlus here. Though the recent stack page option have been added, which can be found in the home screen and lock screen settings, going to manage apps, and here you will find the option of stacked recents page. And this is how it looks if you apply that. I exactly don't remember whether this was previously added or not, but I noticed after this latest update. And even if you see on OnePlus 12, this device is running on the July security patch. So let me show you once again. You can see security patch is of 1st July 2025. On this device, they had added Mindspace, and even on OnePlus 11 series, they had added the Mindspace. But Mindspace feature is still missing on OnePlus Nord 4 even after the August update. There are 2 features what they have added and is broken. So if you open game like BGMI and open the gaming dashboard, scroll down, you can see they have added the performance boost feature. Performance boost feature works on other OnePlus smartphones including OnePlus 11, 12 and 13 series. But they have added this option in the gaming dashboard, but if you tap on it, it says this game doesn't support this function. I haven't checked on other games, but on this particular game, when it's supported on other devices, why it's not being supported on OnePlus Nord 4. After that, they have also added a feature called AI Voice Scribe, which can be found here under Accessibility and Convenience. If you scroll down, you can see we have the AI Voice Scribe feature, but there is no option to trigger this feature. On other OnePlus smartphones, if you open Smart Sidebar, we do have an option of AI Voice Scribe. Even if you tap on Edit, you don't have the AI Voice Scribe feature being added. Though it has been implemented in the system, I don't know why it's not functional. And another feature which was introduced, and I feel that feature was added on this latest update, but you cannot find it in the settings. That was layered to notifications. So if you remember on other devices, if you go to notifications and then under banner section, we have an option of temporary block. Let me show you here on OnePlus 12. This was also added on other OnePlus smartphones, and as I told you guys, when I initially updated the device to this latest build, I received a notification. I was checking the features. I swiped up and I got the notification of temporary blocking the feature. I forgot to take a screenshot. When I went into the banner section, this feature is not yet added. So here you can see this is the feature called temporary block. The only one change which I noticed, and that's in the gallery application. So if you go to gallery, and for example, I'll select a photo. Let's select this photo. Tapping on edit, going to AI editor, they have added the AI perfect shot feature here in the gallery application. Tapping on it, if you're doing it for the first time, you need to agree to terms and conditions, and after that you need to download the AI perfect shot algorithm model. Tapping on download and update, it will hardly take few seconds. Once done, now tapping on AI perfect shot. Here the description says intelligently recognizes faces and fix close eyes. To use this function, make sure there are sufficient photos of the same person with open eyes. So here your device in the background will run a check and find the photos present on this device. So currently it says no replaceable faces found. You can start a photo scan to find the best facial expressions. And if you see the description, it says the app will start scanning photos in the background to look for best facial expressions of this subject. So tapping on turn on, allow the necessary permissions, and now here you can see it says scanning. Let's wait for the scanning to get completed and we'll see if we get any faces detected or not. Tapping on AI perfect shot again. So here you can see on this device there were few photos present and the device have detected the expressions. If I want, I can change the expression using the options which I got. If I select another photo, here also my wife's photos are present on this device, and from here also I can change the facial expression. Similar way, you can also open the closed eyes if any individual have closed their eyes while clicking the photo. So this is the only new add-on what they have done with this latest update of OxygenOS 15 for OnePlus Nord 4. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results and we'll compare it with the previous builds. So with the Geekbenchmark application, we got almost similar scores. Multi-core scores were above 4000 and single core scores were above 1800. With the Wildlife Extremes test test, this time we got 54.8% of stability scores. On the previous build, the scores were 95.3. Talking about CPU throttling test, this time maximum CPU throttled 79% with the average GIPS of 3,52,000. On the previous build, maximum CPU had throttled 90% and the average GIPS were 3,81,000. So as per the numbers, the score seems to be down, but I'll be thoroughly testing the device and keep you guys posted whether any performance issues are to be seen on this latest build or not. Now we have received August security patch on many OnePlus smartphones, so a battery drain test will be also coming soon. So guys, this was all about the latest update. Let me know in the comment section below, are you guys annoyed with such behavior of OnePlus by not providing features and just releasing the huge system updates? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.